Hi everyone, we're going to verify that two functions are inverses of each other. These require more algebra, and the way you verify is that f composed with g of x equals x, but it also has to work the other way where g composed with f of x also equals x. So we're going to start with the first one and compose f with g. So g is going to be 4x minus 3 over 2 minus x. Then I'm going to write my f. Everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put parentheses. And I'm going to dump in this in the parentheses. So you get 4x minus 3 over 2 minus x. And then we have 4x minus 3 over 2 minus x. So the best way to handle this is to multiply both of these, and I'm going to take this whole thing and this whole thing, and I'm going to multiply both pieces by 2 minus x. Alright, and what happens is I'm going to go ahead and leave the 2 outside here. And what will happen here, this will cancel. I'm distributing here. So you're going to get 2 times 4x minus 3, because this part will cancel out with this part. But I also have to distribute here. So this is going to be plus 3 times 2 minus x. Now, in the denominator, we do the same thing. The first part's going to cancel out with this. So you just get 4x minus 3. But then you have to multiply this here, and you get 4 times 2 minus x. Now I'm going to simplify, and you're going to get 8x minus 6 plus 6 minus 3x over 4x minus 3 plus 8 minus 4x. What happens is the 6's cancel here, the 4's cancel, and we're going to get 5x over 5, that equals x. Okay, so this right here is a little algebra trick. Okay, we have to go the other way. The other way would be g composed with f of x. So we have g of 2x plus 3 over x plus 4. Now, I'm going to write down my g function, which is 4, and just do parentheses over 2 minus x, which our x now is going to be this. So we're putting this in where the parentheses go. 2x plus 3 and x plus 4. 2x plus 3 and x plus 4. Now I'm going to take this whole thing, the numerator and the denominator, and multiply both pieces, as long as I do it to both the numerator and the denominator, by x plus 4, and distribute. I'm basically going to keep the 4 here, and what's going to happen here is this is going to cancel with this. But I also have to distribute this, so we're going to have 2x plus 3 minus 3 times x plus 4. And for the denominator, I'm going to distribute these two. So I get 2 times x, this should be this way, plus 4, minus, and in this case, these two would cancel, minus 2x plus 3. Now what's going to happen on this is we're going to get, when you clean it all up, you're going to get 8x plus 12 minus 3x minus 12 over 2x plus 8 minus 2x minus 3. Let's see what we can cancel out. Cancel out these 12s. So you get 5x on the top. Denominator, you can cross out the 2x's and you get 5 on the bottom in the denominator, so it is x. Okay, the next one's very similar, so if you already know how to do this, you're good to go. If you need more practice, we have f of x equals x minus 5 over 2x plus 3, and g of x equals 3x plus 5 over 1 minus 2x. So what we're going to do is compose f with g. That means f and then g is this one. And now we're going to write f and we're going to input our g, which is 3x plus 5 over 1 minus 2x and 3x plus 5 over 1 minus 2x. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this whole thing and the numerator and the denominator and multiply it by 1 minus 2x. And what happens with this first piece is this cancels out. So we're left with 3x plus 5. And you distribute with this piece, you get minus 5 times 1 minus 2x. And for the denominator, I'm going to leave the 2 out for a while. This part will cancel with this. So we're just going to get 3x plus 5. But this piece we're going to have to distribute plus 3 times 1 minus 2x. Now, cleaning all this up, we're going to get 3x plus 5 minus 5 plus 10x over 6x plus 10 plus 3 minus 6x. And let's see what we can cancel out. Cancel out these 5s just like the last time. Cancel out the 6s. So basically we're going to get 13x over 13, which equals x. Now we have to go the other way. The other way is going to be g composed with f of x. So that's going to be g of f, and f is going to be x minus 5 over 2x plus 3. Now I'm going to write my g, which is 3. Everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put parentheses. And we have 1 minus 2. And I'm going to input my f, which is x minus 5 over 2x plus 3. And do it again. X minus 5 over 2x plus 3. We do our little algebra trick. And multiply, and what we're doing is clearing the denominator. So we're clearing the fractions. 2x plus 3, multiply this by 2x plus 3. We're going to keep the 3, and this will cancel out. So this should be 3 times x minus 5. That's when you distribute with that. And then we've got to distribute here. You get 5. And it's going to be 2x plus 3. And for the denominator, we're going to get 1 times 2x plus 3. That's when you're distributing here. and then you're going to have minus 2, and this will cancel with that, so it's just 2 times x minus 5. All right. Now, cleaning everything up, on this one, we're going to get 3x minus 15 plus 10x plus 15 over 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 10. Let's see what we can cancel out the 15s, and here we can cancel out the 2x's. So in the numerator, we're going to have 13x again over 13, and this does indeed equal x. Okay? That's it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.